Are you frustrated by seeing duplicates in your path variable? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue and show you how to clean up your path variable for a smoother experience. I totally get it. It can be really annoying when you add something to your configuration, only to find out it's created a mess instead of a solution. This is a common problem many users face, especially when working with environments like Mobaxterm. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently added a line to their bashrc file to use the Java compiler from the command line. However, they noticed multiple duplicates in their path variable. Sound familiar? If so, let's figure this out together. So what's going on here? When you add a directory to your path variable, it should only appear once. Duplicates can happen if the same line is added multiple times or if the path is not being set correctly. Let's break this down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip to prevent this from happening in the future. To address the issue of duplicates in the path variable, the user should first check the current value of the path variable. This can be done by running a simple command in the terminal. Next, the user should identify where the duplicates are coming from. This often happens when the same directory is added multiple times. The user can look for repeated entries in the output from the previous step. Now the user needs to edit the .bashrc file to prevent adding duplicates. They should ensure that the export command only adds the directory if it is not already present in the path. After making changes to the bashrc file, the user should apply the changes by either restarting the terminal or sourcing the bashrc file. This will refresh the environment variables. Finally, the user should check the path variable again to confirm that duplicates have been removed. This ensures that the environment is clean and ready for use. Fun fact, the path variable is like a treasure map for your system. It tells your computer where to find the programs you want to run. Just imagine if that map had duplicate locations. What a mess that would be. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using a function called pathmunge, which is defined in the /etc profile file. This function checks if a directory is already in your path before adding it, preventing duplicates. To use pathmung in your .bashrc file, simply remove the line that unsets it at the end of the /profile file. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly check your bashrc file for duplicates and keep your path clean. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. Your path variable should be clean and efficient now. Remember, keeping your environment tidy is key to smooth sailing in your coding adventures. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips.